President Jacob Zuma described former President Nelson Mandela as an embodiment of selfless service to humanity. He called on the nation to follow Madiba's example by assisting those in need and the vulnerable. The president spent his 67 minutes of service with the elderly in Ivory Park.
Spending time with the elderly on Mandela Day, Zuma described these senior citizens as the reservoirs of knowledge about the country's heritage. He then urged the nation to follow Madiba's example.
We must make time to assist those in need, the sick and vulnerable, the child and granny-headed households, and other families in need, in order to create the caring society that Madiba has always worked for.
Those who had come from across the country had nothing but praise for the men at the center of the day.
It was a wonderful day for us aged. We really had a ball of a time. It was wonderful. Happy birthday, Madiba Bay. God spare you to see many more years.
But we love him and respect him.
President Zuma also used the occasion to announce that a process started by Madiba was complete. The Burundi peace talks is a mission accomplished. South African soldiers will be heading home next month.
We are honored to have taken forward Madiba's quest for peace in Burundi to a successful conclusion.
And as the day wound down, it was clear that the day belonged to Madiba, and indeed his peers. Mzandile Mbeje, SABC News, Ivory Park, Tempe.